Welcome back to the ThePirateRagnar MotoVlog channel. This will be a very quick video, but we do have something that we need to fix, and I've been putting it off for a little while now. We're basically in a position where we have two choices. We can use this guy to fix the exhaust, or we can do what I want to try, and good old JB Weld. There's obviously a couple of positives to using the actual part, in that this is in good condition, so it would obviously solve the problem completely. The catch with these is that you do need the graphite gaskets for each side, and although if you're really lucky you can reuse the graphite gaskets, 90% of the time, at least in my experience, they do not come out in one piece. So I am either ordering some graphite gaskets, which I don't want to do, because it'll take a while to come in, and I've only got a couple of days that I can ride still before my license technically expires, and yeah. So I think what we're going to do is the JB Weld version. Now, JB Weld is good for, I think up to almost 4,000 PSI if it's put in properly. As long as the plug that you're putting in has something to either bond to or push against, so that it remains a plug and doesn't just go flying out as soon as the exhaust is under pressure again. So we will see. I don't expect it's going to be a perfect long-term solution, but it'll accomplish what we want to today. And I'm genuinely curious if JB Weld is something that you could patch a small hole like this, or slightly larger hole like this, in your exhaust effectively. So let's see. That's it. That's the entire video today. I do appreciate you guys tuning in and checking it out, and let's see what happens. So just quickly see if we can actually see the issue that I'm discussing. So there is our crack, right there. So we'll see if this actually works. We'll see if we can get an improvement on that. Of course, now I have to let it cool down before I can put JB Weld on it, but we'll get there. Ah. Well, it's better. And now it's even better. Yeah, I think we're good. I should have gloves on, but it's not really my style. Well, welcome back. So it's been short of 24 hours. I wanted to try and give it as much time to settle and cure as it possibly could, but we're at the stage where we can test it. So let's see if JB Weld can actually seal a hole in your exhaust. I think it will, but let's see.